Hey everybody, this is long overdue. This is something I received in the mail from Carla. She's Crafty Cat on YouTube. You should go check her out. Look how cute this is. We did a little swap where she wanted the jewelry case, the macaroon from the Dollar Tree. And she asked if I would treat her for something Tinkerbell, a pocketbook that someone had made. So I said sure. And honestly, it has been here since the week of the tornado. And I have not opened it. How sad is that? I'm not kidding you. I had put it down and walked away, and I have not opened it. So I thought I would open it with you all. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, it's like a hipster. Look at how cute. Ah, it has a little pocket. And then there's another pocket on the inside. So in her card, the note she writes, "Dear Donna, thank you for swapping with me. You have an awesome channel I watch all the time while taking care of my baby. She likes the sound of your voice. Laugh out loud. Carla." Thank you so much for swapping with me, Carla. I think this is so, so cute. Look at Tink. We all know I love Tink, right? Well, I hope that you enjoy the little macaroon. And look how cute this is. I love that we could take this off and reuse it for something else. Want it, need it, fab. We make the best friends on... I actually have met some great people on YouTube and swapped with them. So I just want to say, Carla, I hope that you enjoy your macaroon, and thank you for swapping with me. All right, everybody. This is just a little quick video. All right. See you next time. Bye.